Hi guys, try natin to guys. Chelsea, Liverpool, 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 Manchester United, Ajax Amsterdam, Barcelona, 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 Spain, Spain, Barcelona. I've been to Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Hala, ang hirap. Barcelona, 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 Spain, Barcelona, Spain. I've been to Barcelona. Have you been to Barcelona? Barcelona. I love Barcelona. I've been to Barcelona. Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Have you been to Barcelona? Barcelona, Spain, Barcelona. Hello, Barcelona. Hala, paano to i-pronounce? Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Hala. Maubos na yung time. Barcelona, Barcelona. I've been to Barcelona. I love Barcelona. Me and my family went to Barcelona. We miss Barcelona. We miss Barcelona. Barcelona, 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 Barcelona. Hala. Paano ba ito i-pronounce, guys? Barcelona. Nakapunta na ako pero hindi ko kayang i-pronounce. Barcelona. 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 Alright guys, hindi ko talaga alam. Tatry ko na lang ulit. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.